Hello everyone! Today I want to make a video to introduce about the differences between English, Chinese and Japanese in the way they spell 7 days of the week. Then I've made some small games to help you learn about this topic. So let's see what we got ahead. First of all, I find it quite interesting to know about the origin of the names of 7 days in a week. Yes, English first. Sunday, named after the sun. Monday, named after the moon. Tuesday, named after Tu, the Norse god of war. Wednesday, named after Woden, the Anglo-Saxon chef of the gods. Thursday, named after Thor, Norse god of thunder. Friday, named after Freya, a Norse goddess of love. And Saturday, named after Saturn, Roman god of harvest and time. So we can apply this formula. Name of the planets or the gods who represent for the days, plus the suffix or in other words, the tail, day. As a result, we got the first day of the week, Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and finally, last day of the week, Sunday. Secondly, how we spell names of 7 days in the week in Chinese. Do you know the cardinal numbers? 一、二、三、四、五、六. Okay, stop. We won't give the number 7 to the 7th day. So look at the formula below. We have 星期 plus cardinal numbers. 星期 means week. A week is 星期, literally a star period. And Sunday is an exception. It gives us two choices. We can pronounce this as 星期日 or 星期天. And this is the 7 days of the week in Chinese. 星期一、星期二、星期三、星期四、星期五、星期六、星期日 or 星期天. And finally, let's move to Japanese. Konnichiwa. 今日は週7日を日本語で勉強します。Hello, today we are going to learn about 7 days of the week in Japanese. The first Chinese character in the name of each day is a simple concept involved with an elemental force of nature, such as fire, wood, water, etc. The final character, he, here pronounced bi, means sun or day. The middle character, yo, though familiar to Japanese speakers through its use in the days of the week, is relatively unclear. Yobi is a single expression which means day of the week. Here's what we got. 日曜日、月曜日、火曜日、水曜日、木曜日、 金曜日 土曜日 And that's all for today. I hope that we've been through something interesting together. As I promised, this lesson still has some small games for you to review what we've learned. Can't wait to see it. Goodbye and see you soon.